Not yet. Play the new intro first. The shed is finally done. After 9 months of waiting and being stuffed around, it's done. I couldn't go back as far as I'd like to against the fence, but this will have to do. Just lay some gravel down, maybe put up another smaller shed for the lawnmower and stuff like that. As you can see, the backyard's still quite a mess. A lot of work to be done here to clean it all up. Log up those 2 trunks, get rid of the piles of dirt, branches, clean up all this junk, bricks. I also built this wall. This is the existing shed. Still quite a bit of stuff in here, but still a lot of stuff in storage to go. This used to be a window. I've taken the window out and made it a doorway through into the new shed. I've got quite a bit more room now. There's a new kitchen I just picked up today, good second-hand kitchen that'll be done maybe in about 6 or 8 weeks. And still a lot of other stuff just thrown in here at the moment just to get it out of storage. I'll finish off this doorway eventually, clean it up, make it look a bit nicer than what it is. I'm going to block this doorway off. It's in a bad spot. Going to take this window out and make this the new doorway. Going to leave the roller door there. I have to rewire the garage, add more lights, power points. Currently there's no lighting or power in the new part of the shed, but that'll all get done when I rewire the existing shed. There are still a couple of leaks I have to fix in the old shed, but that's just from a couple of holes in the corrugated iron on the roof. Just have to get up and find where the holes are and fill them up with some silicone. I filled in these holes here because I want to put another wall across here so I can have a little office / man cave. Once it's all done, paint it up, hopefully it'll look pretty good. Alrighty, I think that's about it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.